Looking for the perfect wave spring? Configure and download a free CAD model from Smalley's website. Let's check it out. Start your search for a custom wave spring on Smalley's homepage and enter the diameter you need, or search by part number. Scroll down and select a product based on your specifications. Select your material, and then scroll down to select your CAD height. On the right, fill in your information to download a free CAD model. Click the 3D Preview tab, then Generate Preview. Now you can move, zoom, and rotate the part within the 3D viewer to see the design in unique and up-close detail. The icon on the top left gives you additional viewing options, including AR. You can download a PDF datasheet of your custom wave spring here, which is great for sharing product data with your team. To download a CAD file, click the CAD Download tab. Choose your preferred CAD format to download a native file, then click Download CAD. Now your free CAD model is ready to download. For more great products, visit smalley.com and check out partsolutions.com to learn more about online configurators and CAD downloads.